Hello everyone, I am Sona Bhatt, your interview coach, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most common and tricky interview questions. We will talk about how to answer why did you leave your last job without damaging your chances of getting hired. This question makes many candidates nervous because one wrong answer can damage your chances of getting the job. So, in today's video, we will cover why interviewer asks this question, 3 safe answer templates that you can use in different situations. And most importantly, we will discuss what not to say. Common mistake that most of the job seekers do. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the like button because it really motivates me to keep creating content like this. So before we jump into the main answers, let's try to understand why interviewer asked this question. When they ask why did you leave your last job, they really want to know, number 1, are you a problem employee? Did you get fired for poor performance or bad behavior? Number 2, will you stay with us? If you left your last job real quickly, will you be working here for long? Number 3, how do you handle tough situation or conflict? They want to know that. Number 4, what motivates you? What will make you happy and productive in their company? So the answer number 1 for the situation, if you are changing the job because of career growth or learning opportunities. This is one of the safest and most professional reason you can give. Everyone wants to grow in their career, right? And interviewers respect this thing. So here's the script that you can use. I really valued my time at my previous company and I have learned a lot over there. However, after 5 years, I felt that I have reached a plateau in terms of learning and growth opportunities. I'm looking for a role where I can take more responsibility and continue developing my skill. When I saw this position, I was excited because this is the kind of challenge I'm looking for in my next step of career. I believe this role aligns perfectly with my career goals. So why this answer is perfect? Because first, you showed respect for the previous employer. Second, you demonstrate your ambition and growth mindset. And third, you connected this job with your future goals. That shows you want to stay with the organization for a long time. That makes this answer perfect. Now let's talk about answer number 2. Company restructuring or layoff. If you're left due to layoff or company restructure or company closure, you don't need to hide this. Be honest about it. There is no shame in circumstances beyond your control, and layoff is part of that. Here's the script you can use. My previous company underwent significant restructuring and unfortunately, my department was downsized. It was a business decision but affected many talented professionals. I have used this transition positively. I updated my skills by completing XYZ skills and certification, and I have been very selective about finding the right next opportunity. I was particularly excited about this role because this perfectly aligns with my skill set and my future goals. I'm very excited to bring my experience and skill set to a stable organization like yours. So the key element that makes this answer perfect is, number 1, you explain the situation very factually without any emotional attachment. Second, you didn't badmouth about the previous company. Third, you showed your productivity during the transition time. And fourth, you express your interest in stability and commitment. So that makes this answer a professional and perfect one. Now, let's talk about the answer number 3, better work culture and team environment. And nowadays, it matters a lot. Sometimes the work culture is not right fit for you, and we cannot speak openly about it because it will show bad mouthing about the previous company. So here's the perfect answer to address this situation. I learned valuable skill at my previous company and I'm grateful for that experience. However, as I progressed in my career, I realized that I work best in an environment that emphasizes on employee collaboration, employee development, and teamwork. When I was doing research about your organization, I was very impressed that you focus on all these values. I believe I would thrive in this environment and will able to contribute best of my skills and experience in this role. Why this answer is perfect? Because you didn't criticize about the previous company environment. You focused on what you want and how this role is aligned. You showed that you researched about the company and you're really looking for a good work culture. And that makes this answer a perfect one. So remember, even if you had terrible experience within the present organization, you don't need to say all these things during the interview. That's it for today. Remember that why did you leave your last job is not a tricky question. It's just an opportunity to show your professionalism, maturity, and genuine interest toward the organization. Use the templates that I have shared in this video. Don't forget to take screenshot. This will help you. I'm sure this video will definitely help you answer this common interview question like a pro. If you have any questions or doubt, please mention in the comment section. I will answer. I will see you in another video with another important topic that will help you land your dream job. Keep following your interview coach Sona Bhatt to ace your job interview. Till then, take care and bye-bye.